Axles and Iron now has a full line of trucks and trailers in stock. We offer competitive finance options, as well as a leasing program designed to work with any situation. We have trucks, trailers, and tankers, and specialized equipment. Axles and Iron is your one-source solution for all your heavy equipment needs. Apply today and start working tomorrow. Whatever the job, our team of experts can help get the job done at the best possible price. Axle and Iron is your one-source solution for all your heavy equipment needs.